Welcome everybody. This is Johnny Red from Transparency Traders. I'm one of the co-founders. I guess today I got a lot of people that ask me how I set up my stock screener scanner for finding the penny stocks I trade. So I use just a few parameters, pretty simple way. Of course, I don't use Thinkorswim. I use Etrade Pro. I don't know. It's just what I've always used, so I like it. So it's kind of hard for me to change. So I'm going to show you in Etrade Pro how I set my scanner up to find the penny stocks I trade, and should be short and sweet. Hope everybody's having a happy Saturday. So when you have your scanner up for stocks here, you can come in here and pick edit alerts. So for alerts, I only pick two things. I want to see at least a new high in the last 10 days. And then because I do trade not just OTC, but bigger board stocks, I look for block trades. I put block trades at 20,000. Now, of course, that's not going to help if you're trading like a sub penny, but I like to look for penny stocks that go all the way up to the $4 range. So, all right. So those are the only alerts I pick. New high within the last 10 days, and then block trades. And I pick them at 20,000. So, I mean, that makes basically if a stock's trading at $3, it's going to pop up on my scanner as soon as people start buying blocks of shares in 20,000 or more increments. Okay, next is the filters. So I only use a couple of filters. First one I use price. So I like to pick, I got 0.01 to $3.25. And then I utilize the dollar value, which is down here. So percent change from close. That's basically just what I pick is I want to see it's up at least 5% from what it closed at yesterday. And then dollar value, I want to see at least $80,000 worth of stock traded. So you figure $80,000 that you're looking for at like a penny share stock is, you know, at least $1 million in volume, 800,000. I mean, I don't trade anything that doesn't have at least 500,000 shares traded a day. So after you type in all that information and you just hit OK to save it. So, of course, I didn't change anything. All right, so you have it. So real time, it would typically be showing it there, but like you can go and see what all traded on Friday. It's going to show you 1 day back. All the block trades, the new highs. So any of y'all that trade penny stocks, most of these ticker symbols look familiar to you. So this is pretty much how I find my penny stocks. So I'm watching the scanner. So just because it pops up on the scanner doesn't mean that I just jump in. So in penny stock trading, it all goes off that Momo. So I'm also following social media to see how much of these stocks are getting talked about, and then I'm checking I'm Googling, using Google to research the stock to see what news Google pull up on the stock, and I'm also checking either OTC markets or NASDAQ or NYSE to see what types of news. I primarily like to use Market Watch or Yahoo Finance for when I'm looking for news, and then of course I'll use Google to just do as much research as I can. So, I mean, I'm not the best at doing these videos, so I hope you kind of learned and got to see how it is. If you got any questions on how I set up my scanner for penny stocks that I didn't really cover or make real clear, feel free to message me or leave a comment on the website or in the Facebook group, and just ask away. So y'all have a great, wonderful weekend. See y'all on Monday when the market opens.